Hello guys, it's Adele here with a new weekly trading ideas video for this week starting today, the 8th of May 2023. Now, before I go into the trading ideas, I'd like to quickly show you a special deal which I'm running on my website. This is a time limited offer which will be ending May 15th, and the special offer includes all my educational and indicator packs. So it includes a lead pack, which focuses on volume profile trading, order flow pack, which focuses on order flow trading, and on investing pack, which focuses on the long-term investing with volume profile. Now we can get all those together in a special pack for only $5.97. Normally, if you bought those, then it would be $1,491. So if you get this special pack now, it can save you quite a lot of money. All right. If you want to know exactly what those packs include, there are videos which you can watch and they'll show you exactly what's included. All right. Now this page which you see before you is not directly accessible from my website, so you will need a link to get to it. And this link will be below this video, which I'll upload on YouTube, and also below this post on my website. So this is where you can find the link to access this page and get that special offer. All right. Now let me switch over to the TradingView platform and talk about some trading ideas. All right. Now the first trading idea is on the ES, which is futures for the SP 500. You are looking at 30-minute time frame, and I want to talk about this newly formed support, which is at 41.36. This support is based on a trend setup. This setup is pretty easy to trade. You just need to see a trend like this, and within the trend you want to see significant volume zone like this one, and then you want to wait for a pullback and trade from that heavy volume zone. All right, this heavy volume zone represents a place where strong institutional buyers were active, where they were placing a lot of their longs when they were pushing the price upwards. And those guys are likely to defend this zone in the future. So that's why I'm saying that when there's a pullback, there should be a reaction, and this should work as a support. All right, that's how you trade the trend setup. So that's for the ES. Let me now switch over to another chart, and it will be the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So what you see before you now is the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Again, I'm working with the 30-minute time frame, my favorite time frame for day trading analysis. And in here, I want to talk about this support, which is at 0.8985. This one is based on the volume profile setup, which is called the volume accumulation setup. This setup works like this. You need to see a rotation, which is followed by very strong trend activity. Like, for example, this one. This is very aggressive trend activity, and it is starting from a rotation. As you can see, I used the flexible volume profile. That's the volume profile. You can move around like this. I used it to see the volumes within the rotation, right? So what you need to see there is heavy volumes within a rotation, right? And you want to trade from the beginning of that heavy volume zone, because those volumes represent the place where buyers were accumulating the long positions, right? Those buyers who later pushed the price upwards. So those buyers were active here, then they pushed the price upwards, and when there's a pullback to this level in the future, then it is likely that the buyers from here will want to become active and push the price upwards, because they'll want to defend the longs which they placed there. They'll want to defend this zone, which is clearly important for them. All right. So if the price makes it to this level at some point in the future, then chances are that there'll be a reaction. People often ask me if I speculate on the price dropping to that level, and I don't do that. I'm only saying that if the price drops to this level, and it doesn't need to drop there, okay, it maybe just, go upwards and never hit this level again. But if the price drops to this level, chances are buyers from here will want to defend that zone and push the price upwards. All right, so that's why this should work as a support. Now, the next trading idea that I like to comment on is Australian dollar Japanese yen. So let's check it out. So what you see before you is the Australian dollar Japanese yen. Again, this is a 30-minute time frame. And again, we have the trend setup, the same setup which I used with the ES, remember? In this case, I want to trade this significant volume cluster which got formed within the uptrend. So the volume cluster in here is telling us that the buyers who are pushing the price upwards were active here. They were adding to the long positions here, and I think that it's very likely that when there is a pullback to this level, which is at 90.29, that there'll be a reaction, all right? Because those buyers from here will want to defend this place, which is clearly important for them, and they'll want to push the price upwards, okay? So this is the support which I wanted to show you. What I really like about it is how aggressively the price started to move upwards in here after those volumes were accumulated here. This is showing us the aggressivity of buyers and adds strength to the support, right? Now, one more thing I wanted to show you here. If I move the profile like this, then you can see that there actually was another strong volume cluster in here within the uptrend. What happened next was that there was a pullback and price tested this volume cluster and reacted to it. So that's why I'm not trading this again, because it got tested very soon after it got formed. So this one is spent. There was a nice reaction to it, but it's spent. This one hasn't been spent yet. So that's why this one is still good to trade. All right, 90.29. So that's about that. That's about the Australian dollar Japanese yen. Now, before I wrap this video up, I like to announce the winner of a contest we had last time. The price of the contest was this pack of indicators which I was using in today's video. It's TradingView indicators, specially coded for me and members of my trading course. And the winner of the contest, whose name you see on the screen right now, just won this set of indicators. So congratulations to the winner. And what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing you need to do to participate in a contest is leave a comment below this video on YouTube. And next week, in the next weekly trading ideas video, I'll randomly pick one person to win this set of indicators. Alright? So that's about the contest, and that's also to wrap up this video. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked it and found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time. And until then, happy trading.